How to play the E7 chord on the guitar. Okay, so welcome back everyone. Today we're going to be looking at the E7 chord, or also known as the E dominant 7 chord. So the E7 chord is very similar to our E major open chord. However, there's one crucial difference in that it's a 4-note chord instead of it being a 3-note chord. So in the E major chord we have the notes E, which is the root note, G sharp, which is the major third, which makes it a major chord, and B, which is a perfect fifth. However, this time we're playing the E7 chord, which means that we need to add a dominant 7th, or also known as a flat 7. So the easiest way to find our flat 7 without having to look at any chord diagrams or anything is to take a look at the root notes. So in this case the root note is E, because we're playing an E chord. Now the dominant 7th note is always 2 semitones lower than the root note. So now that we know that E is our root note, we can go 2 semitones lower to find the flat 7th or dominant 7th note, which in this case is D. So this makes the notes in the E dominant 7 chord E, G sharp, B, and D, which is the flat 7. So to play our E dominant 7 chord, we can play the low E string. That's our E, our root note. We then place our second finger on the 2nd fret of the A string to give our B. We then play the D string open. That's the 7th we're adding. We can then place our first finger on the 1st fret of the G string, and then play the B and E strings open.